In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new email on your iPad. So I'll be showing you how to go and add an email account and also how to create a new email as well. Now, the very first thing we need to do is just go and open up the settings on your iPad. And once you're on the settings, you can scroll down in the left-hand navigation and then go and click on apps. You can then scroll down again until you see the mail app and go and click on this. You can then select mail accounts. You can then click on add account. And this is where you can go and add additional accounts to your mail on your iPad. Now, if you want to actually create a new email address, you can do that by scrolling up on the left-hand navigation. You can then click on your profile name. You can select sign in and security. And right at the top here, we have the option to add email or phone number. Go and click on this. Now, what you can do is go and create a new email address for your iCloud, and this can be used to sign in to your Apple iCloud account. Now, it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.